love you do, if I
Good morning! What are you doing? We just made it over here to the racing track. Today we're gonna drive some exotic cars. Here we go. We're just running a little late, so we're gonna get some details, instructions and stuff, so I'm gonna be right back.
if I love you do, if I if I if I if I love you do, if I if I if I love you do, if I.
Alright, so we got to decide which car we get. What are you gonna go for?
Oh yeah, the Huracan for sure.
So they have the Huracan, the Gallardo, and then the F485 Italia. So that's the Huracan. That's the one that we both choose to go with. Even the color is just insane. So first time driving an exotic car, it's gonna be just awesome. So I guess it's time for me now. The instructor. There you go. What's your name?
Mike,
David. Nice
nice
to meet you.
Let's do this.
All right. Rupeo! Daj! What a drive, huh? What do you say,
Oh,
Aline?
man, it was nice.
Crazy, what a
Fast.
feeling. Whoa, it was crazy, that feeling.
I want to buy it now.
they sold me, huh? Man, it's amazing, man, especially in the second gear with so much power. Crazy. Mine revved in the curves, man. I felt like it's almost losing control.